So as an extension for the last video, which was about how to install a Git, which we just did, we installed just Git, and now the question is how to create even Git repository online. So you would maybe want to create Git repository, and you connect then to the PC locally for that. So you can kind of offline create something and then you upload to Git. So if you see here GitHub, which is kind of the place to put your Git repository online. So I don't have account yet, so let's do continue with Google. So username, does this not exist? Yeah. I mean, why is it Russia? I don't even care. So create account, verification complete. So now here we see create your first project. This is exactly what we want. We could also import something, which is also possible. So let's just go with create a repository option. So we have your repository name is YouTube test. So, oh yeah, it's even available. So description, yes, hello YouTube. Visibility is public, and so normally they would not put the visibility public, but it's fine for now. README, why not? README is kind of text file, right? So we have here YouTube test, and maybe we want to collaborate on that, do some offline developing or put it online and push it for others. So here we have the code button which we could use to clone, which is basically put the local repository, put the repository to your PC. And this is what we would do now. So in my folder here, I can open the command line, and now we would do just a git clone. So because we have git word, git installed, we can just do git clone and then put here the repository. So if we have then repository, we see a new folder. So this is basically just what Git is. So you have here now the folder with README, and yeah, hello YouTube, and so on. So this is basically it. We have now our repository connected to our PC, and basically I can do one option even. So one a bonus for this video. So let's just create, let's just copy our stuff from before. And here, configuration, my code. So this is my, like maybe some changes I did to the Git repository. So my colleague want to know for something. So if we want to upload this kind of to the GitHub, then we would do like here, git add. We would add the new. We have to navigate to YouTube test. So cd YouTube test, and then we can do it. We can add our new stuff, then we can commit it, and first initialization, first scripts, and yeah, we have to save who we are basically. So this is first thing, and then the second is git config. So this is kind of uh, the status now. So git status, I did put here the run the commands for identification, and now I say git status. I'm on branch main, so I don't really want to be on branch main. So let's say git or it's yeah, it's fine for this tutorial. It's fine to be on main. I made kind of mistake because you cannot upload to main. That's the problem. So basically what we will just do is we will have to, because if we say now git commit, it will say okay, but git push will not work because it's the main, I think. sign in with your browser authentication. Actually working. Okay, because normally you would not be able to push to main. So you see here now we have our stuff, but normally it's not able. Okay, we don't even have any branches. So next videos will be something about, okay, what is branches and so on and so forth. But for now you see how to connect, how to create a repository. This is fine. So I hope it worked a bit, a little bit for you. You can see how to use Git, how to upload something. Should be quite easy for you now to navigate through those meandering rivers of complex DevOps stuff, right? But you will get into it, and yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want, reach out to me on my socials. I'm always happy to get in touch. Thanks.